The 2011 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, power retractable mirrors, heated mirrors, anti-theft security system, power mirrors, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, hill start assist, fog lights. Inside you'll find auxiliary audio input, climate control automatic, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, child safety locks, power windows, steering wheel cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.